Hi! Welcome to Royal Moto Club. So malapit na po yung second anniversary namin this August. I want to inform you kung ano yung mga latest dito sa Royal Moto Club. So tara, discuss natin. So here's our Royal Moto Club. As you all know, we're a one-stop shop or a one-stop shop service center. So we offer different services for your big bikes. And then, syempre, meron kaming membership. So what's the difference ng membership namin dito? So you have perks and privileges when you avail a membership program here sa Royal Moto Club. So number one, yung platinum membership namin, it's 20,000 pesos. So inclusion niya guys, syempre, you have 2 free change oil, 1 free ceramic coating, you have free bike hauling, you have insurance coverage worth 500,000. And ano yung bago guys, before kasi, ang naka-insured lang natin is si rider. So this second year, pati yung OBR nyo, insured na rin when you member sa Royal Moto Club. Then additional perks natin guys, syempre, when you're a member here sa Royal Moto Club, you have an access sa Fresco Coffee sa taas. May discount po tayo sa purchase nyo sa Fresco Coffee. And syempre dun sa Royal Bar namin, kasama na rin po siya sa perks and privileges ng members. You can avail 10% discount anytime you dine in, have a drinks, or have a party here sa taas sa Fresco and sa Royal Bar. So what's the latest here sa Royal Moto Club? So I want to introduce to you yung ginawa namin bagong membership. It's called Royal Pass. So ano yung meron dun sa Royal Pass? So si Royal Pass, meron siyang coverage na accidental insurance worth 100,000 sa rider. Then, lahat ng inclusions dito is puro discounts here na ma-avail nyo sa Royal Moto Club. So every time na magpa-service kayo, every time na kumain kayo, every time na may bilhin kayong mga pyesa, you can avail the discounts na included. Iba-iba po kasi yung discounts eh. So, iba yung sa product, iba yung sa service. So, as we go along, i-discuss po namin yung ano yung inclusions ng mga discounts na to. Then, syempre, meron pa rin kayong royal merchandise na ma-receive kasi this one is membership pa rin po siya. So, ano ba yung difference? Bakit kailangan namin mag-member? Members kasi sa amin, it's a VIP treatment na ginagawa namin. So, every time na magpapaservice kayo, basta naka-schedule po kayo, you don't need to wait. Kasi minsan po nagkakataon, di ba, marami po yung nagpapagawa, nagmamadali po tayo. When you become a member of Royal Moto Club, yun yung mafe-feel mo, yung royal treatment na sinasabi namin, VIP treatment. Para alam naman natin fast-paced yung gusto natin ngayon. Mapabilis po at maganda po yung service na mabibigay namin sa inyo. Just want to discuss what's the difference between the Platinum membership and the Royal Pass. So basically, ang difference lang po nila, wala pong mga free ceramic coating, free change oil, si Royal Pass. Si Platinum lang po yung merong ganun. So si Royal Pass po, ginawa po natin siya para ma-avail po ng mga members na ayaw naman po nilang mag-avail ng package at mag-purchase ng malaki. Gusto lang po nila yung makuha yung mga discounts. So kaya po namin ginawa si Royal Pass. Si Royal Pass po is just 2.5. So worth 2.5 pero if you use it, the more you use it, the more na makakatipid po kayo. Lalo na pag you're a bike enthusiast talaga, na mahilig talaga kayong mag-ride at mag-motor. Kasi syempre, kailangan natin lagi ipa-maintain yung mga motor natin para in good condition. So guys, I'm inviting everyone, if you want to visit us, yung Royal Moto Club, if you're looking for a one-stop shop service center, pwede yung check out yung place namin. Everybody is welcome. Hindi naman po kailangan member lang para magpa-service dito. Even non-members or walk-ins, we accept if you're looking for a trusted service shop. So visit here sa Royal Moto Club. So if you have questions, inquiries guys, please message us or DM us sa page namin sa Royal Moto Club. So one of my sales assistant will assist you. So thank you again for watching. I hope to see you soon here at makapag-bonding tayo at makapag-ride tayo. Again, this is Joe Harking, the General Manager here sa Royal Moto Club. So, kita-kits guys!